Another nice order received. Lincoln DC400s, multi-process, 30 in total, 10 fitted with 4-roll heavy-duty wire feed units, complete with 5-meter interconnecting cables and torches. 20 Lincoln Idealarc DC400s with earths and electro holders, all destined for Nigeria to be used on a pipeline, along with other plasmas such as GYS, new plasma for on site for cutting. All this will actually be loaded into one 20-foot container and shipped over. More machines available. If you'd like to look at Westermans.com, see other stock, selection of MIG, TIG, sub-arc, column booms, positioners, plasma, and soon to be laser cutters. We already do laser welding, but lasers cutters are coming up next. Thank you for looking.